Hello everyone, I am Siddhi Jagtap representing the team Code Freaks, and today I am very excited to show you our project Plantera. Plantera is a fusion of IoT, blockchain and artificial intelligence that builds a decentralized network for environmental data. Environmental data systems today face major limitations. First, too expensive. Current data infrastructures cost lakhs to deploy and maintain. Secondly, too delayed. Most reports are monthly or quarterly, missing real time shifts. 3. Too centralized. Data is locked under government or institutional control. Fourth, not local enough. National averages hide local pollution and soil changes. Fifth, no incentive to contribute. Citizens' communities gain nothing for sharing the data, hence, they do not feel working towards this field. Because of these issues, policymakers, researchers, and farmers all operate on incomplete information. To solve this problem, we are presenting Plantera. Our solution is crowdsourced environmental data on the blockchain. IoT sensor kits, affordable, portable devices that collect AQI, temperature, humidity, soil pH, BNB chain integration, that is the blockchain integration. Every reading is stored as on-chain transaction, secure, transparent and tamper-proof. Token rewards. Contributors automatically earn tokens for verified data. Client access. A dashboard and API provide live and historical analytics for governments, startups, and research labs. Together, this created a trusted, incentive driven ecosystem for environmental truth. Now let us see how Plantera works. The process is simple and fully automated. Step 1. IoT kits capture live data in the field. Step 2. The readings are transmitted to the blockchain creating immutable time-stamped records. Step 3. The contributors receive token rewards in their linked wallet. Step 4. Clients visualize or purchase datasets via our dashboards and API. This ensures real-time accuracy, decentralization, and incentive alignment for sensor to server. Real-world use cases of Plantera. Plantera's framework can be applied across several domains. Few of these are precision in agriculture. Farmers receive live soil and air data for better irrigation and crop planning. Urban planning, authorities identify pollution hotspots and plan smarter traffic routes. Disaster management, early detection of air quality drops can prevent hazardous events. ESG and research, industries and institutions gain verifiable datasets for sustainability and analysis. Plantera bridges the gap between local reality and the national awareness. We have developed two working prototypes of our sensor kit. The sensor kit starter kit is costing somewhere around 1500 rupees, which includes temperature, humidity and air quality sensor with an ESP32 module, and an advanced kit that costs somewhere around 3500 rupees, adds light, UV, soil moisture, sound and rain sensors to the starter kit. Each kit connects directly to the Plantera network. They are low cost, easy to assemble and suitable for both educational and industrial deployment. So what makes Plantera different? See, the traditional systems were all centralized, but Plantera is built on a BNB chain and it is a decentralized, making the data tamper proof and secured. Real time data. So traditional systems were having delayed reports, but by using Plantera we can get live IoT streams, incentivized participation, no contributor, no incentive. So the contributors do not get any incentive for their data, and hence they do not feel like working towards this field. But in Plantera, token reward models are there. Data ownership. So the data is owned by institutions for the traditional systems, but for Plantera, the user and the DAO control are the owner of the data, and hence can use it for their own betterments. Web3 native. So the traditional systems are not blockchain enabled, and hence creating a lot of chaos, like the readings can be tampered, and there are security issues. But for Plantera, it's an on-chain economy. API and dashboard access, modular and subscription based for Plantera, and for traditional system, limited or closed APIs. So the traditional system, the data cannot be used by the companies directly, but if they want to collaborate with Plantera, they can easily get the data by via APIs and dashboard accesses. Hey guys, this is the Plantera website. So you can see this is the home page, and if I want to buy a new kit, I will click on the buy kit button and then register with an email and name it give the kit name as Omkar Kadam and put in the latitudinal and longitudinal coordinates for the demo, and then put the shipping address and click on the place order button. Once I click on the place order button, I will get a notification saying that sensor is registered successfully for the email siddhijagtap@gmail.com. So I click OK and then go on to the login page. Here I will put the email address and the password and click on the sign in button. Once I click on the sign in button, you can see that my dashboard is open where all the sensors registered on my email address are shown, and here you can see my wallet address and the balance. Now I want you to take a look at this 2345 tokens. So in my wallet there are 2345 tokens, and if I click on this AQI main, this sensor kit is deployed at my house and it is sending the data currently. You can see that today is 11th November and 11:31, and I am getting the recent data of my area, the temperature, humidity, MQ135, soil moisture, rain, UV index with timestamps. All this data is stored on the blockchain. Now if I go back on my dashboard page, you can see that previously I had 2345 tokens, but now I have got 2349 tokens. For the each block of data that I have been sending, I am getting tokens. So we had collected previous 10 years data, that is from 2014 to 2024, and based on that we have created a AI weather chatbot. So if I want to predict the weather and I want to get the environmental details, I will just put in the prompt that what is the temperature on 11 November 2025 and click on the send button. The model will think, and then you can see that on Pune in November 2025 11th, the temperature will be somewhere around 29.24 degrees Celsius with a humidity of 26.38. The pressure is expected to be somewhere around 1013.31 H Pascal. It's a lovely day. Basically it gives all the environmental readings on that particular day. This is the chatbot that we have made to predict the environmental details using the data. In summary, Plantera provides a decentralized, real-time and community-powered approach to environmental monitoring and prediction. We believe that open data can drive real change, and with Plantera, every citizen can be the part of that change. Thank you for your time.